Walden University students, are you a master's or doctoral student who would like practice forming an academic argument? Do you struggle with writing cohesive paragraphs? Would you like peer support and instructor feedback on your writing? If you answered yes to any of these questions, consider enrolling in Graduate Writing 2. The Center for Academic Excellence course, Graduate Writing 2 Intermediate Composition Skills, helps you build the skills necessary for evaluating and responding to the academic conversation. Topics covered include critical reading and analysis, paragraph organization, APA citation, and revision and editing. This 6-week course follows Graduate Writing 1 and is structured in a similar manner with discussions, workshop assignments, and feedback assignments. In discussions, you develop and refine a 1-paragraph academic argument that contains a main idea, evidence, analysis, and a lead out. Weeks 2 through 5 include a workshop assignment in which you share with your instructor 1 page of a current draft of writing for another course or a previously submitted assignment or discussion. As such, you learn to apply the writing skills you're gaining and understand the importance of revision. Workshop assignments are due on day 2. In feedback assignments, you record the writing feedback you've received and reflect on your skill progress. Feedback assignments are due on day 7. Overall, through these activities, Graduate Writing 2 gives you the space and tools to develop your own unique voice and perspective as a scholarly writer. To register for an upcoming term, contact your Student Success Advisor at studentsuccess@mail.waldenu.edu. Thank you.